Nick, what are you putting in there?
It smells good. Can't be air freshener.
This is what we call the Bushcraft air freshener up in here. You know, got to get that nice cucumber scenage, make it smell like home, right? Oh, we got another one right here. I don't know, but it's this bark. I think it's a dogwood tree, but I don't know. Whatever these are, and it smells really good. Ain't that right, Nick?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? I brought my boy Nick out here. Well, I was out here and then he joined me. We got the front walls done. I switched it up yet again. Like every time, like every episode, I'd come up with something different than my original plan. So this is gonna be the new entrance because it's right here next to the creek. I don't know. It just seems more natural. So we built this wall. Me and Nick did, and then I built this one before he got here. And yeah, I'm really liking it. Look how solid these things are. I'm not gonna push on it too far because I don't want it to fall over. But no, for real, just walk in here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna. What are you laughing at? I don't know what I'm gonna do on this back wall yet, but I'll figure it out. And when I do, I'll let you know. Better than me just giving you a plan and then changing it later on like I've been doing. But yeah, eventually I'll make a door. Or Nick thought of this great idea of like, what are those called? Like a bug nets where they like come together in the middle and you like walk through them, kind of like a screen door. Is that what they're called?
I don't know what they're called.
I don't know. It's kind of like a screen door except you just like walk through it, kind of like a sheet. But I don't know how I would make that, but that's a good idea, and I might actually try to come up with something to do that with. But yeah, thanks for watching us build this, a slave over this this wall. You don't want to know how much money I had to pay Nick to come out here to help me. But yeah, so we are done for the day, and I'll see y'all next time. Broke Boys Bushcraft, signing off.